Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best folding chair is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of furniture for any home, event, or outdoor activity, offering unparalleled convenience and space-saving solutions. Whether you're setting up for a backyard barbecue, need extra seating for a holiday gathering, or simply want a comfortable spot to relax outdoors, a good folding chair can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a folding chair truly stand out, exploring the features that provide durability, comfort, and portability, ensuring you find the perfect option to suit your needs and elevate your everyday experiences. Number 5. Coleman Portable Camping Chair with Cooler. Introducing the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. This chair is designed for maximum comfort, allowing you to relax and enjoy your time outdoors. Never be far from a cold drink again. It features a built-in cooler pouch that keeps up to 4 cans perfectly chilled and within easy reach. Experience superior comfort with a fully cushioned seat and backrest. The 18.1-inch sitting height provides excellent support for extended lounging. Keep your essentials close at hand. A convenient side pocket and a mesh cup holder ensure your personal items and beverages are always accessible. Designed for life on the go, it folds down compactly. An included carry bag makes transport and storage incredibly simple. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or enjoying a day at the beach, this chair is your perfect seating solution. Its durable steel frame supports up to 325 pounds. What we like? This one is perfect for those who love to relax outdoors with a cold drink. Its built-in cooler pouch keeps your beverages chilled and within easy reach. If you're looking for ultimate comfort and convenience during camping trips or tailgating, this is the chair for you. What people say. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry. It folds up compactly, making it great for storage. The seat is surprisingly comfortable for a folding chair. Number 4. GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker with SunShade Canopy. Introducing the GCI Outdoor Pod Rocker, your perfect companion for outdoor relaxation. Enjoy rocking comfort wherever you go, thanks to its innovative design. This chair features a structured sling seat for superior comfort and a UPF 50 sunshade canopy to keep you protected from the sun. It's designed for your ultimate enjoyment outdoors. Constructed with a durable powder-coated steel frame, it supports up to 250 pounds. Plus, convenient side pockets keep your phone and drinks within easy reach. Experience smooth rocking on almost any outdoor surface with our patented spring-action rocking technology. It's ideal for camping, sports events, or simply lounging on the lawn. Setting up is a breeze, and it folds up quickly for easy storage and transport. The included carry bag makes taking it to any event effortless. Lightweight and portable, this chair is ready for all your adventures. Enjoy its comfortable design and convenient features, backed by a limited lifetime warranty. What we like? Experience a new level of relaxation with its unique rocking feature. The integrated sunshade canopy provides protection from the sun, making it ideal for long outdoor events. If you enjoy gentle motion and sun protection while watching sports or at a festival, this chair offers a superior lounging experience. What people say. The pod design is comfortable but not hot in the summer, and the rocker function is smooth and enjoyable. This chair is wide, has armrests, has a place for my phone and for a drink. There is also a sun shade that can be flipped back when not in use. The legs terminate in 2 ski-like bases. This allows you to sit comfortably in sand or dirt without sinking. When you rock forward, or go to stand up, 2 additional legs make contact with the ground. This gives you more support to stand. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker. Enjoy your outdoor adventures with this comfortable rocking chair. Its low-profile design and convenient carry strap make it perfect for any outing. Whether at a game or a backyard barbecue, this chair is ready. It features a built-in beverage holder and a secure phone pocket for ultimate convenience. Experience smooth rocking on any surface thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology. The durable steel frame and breathable mesh back ensure lasting comfort. Setting up is a breeze, simply push the backrest and armrests apart. Packing it away is just as quick and easy. With a weight capacity of 250 pounds and a sturdy construction, this chair is designed for relaxation. Its compact folded size makes it easy to transport and store. It supports up to 250 pounds and measures 32.5 wide by 31.7 high when open. When folded, it's only 5.9 wide and weighs just 10.6 pounds. What we like? This chair offers a unique low-profile rocking experience, perfect for getting closer to the action at events. Its patented spring action technology ensures a smooth rock on any surface. If you're a sports enthusiast or enjoy backyard BBQs and want a comfortable, portable seat with a built-in drink holder, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The construction of these rockers is top-notch, and it's evident that they are built to last. The sturdy frame can easily support my weight without any concerns, and the fabric is both durable and comfortable. Moreover, the design of the chair allows for excellent support to my back and neck, making it perfect for extended lounging sessions. They fold up easily and close with a strap so that you don't have to keep track of a bag and fight them into them. The rocking feature is smooth and relaxing, and the beverage holder is a convenient bonus. Number 2. Flash Furniture Hercules Series Folding Chair, White. Introducing the Hercules Series Folding Chair from Flash Furniture. This chair offers a lightweight yet durable seating solution for any event or home need. Designed for commercial-grade use, it's a smart investment for businesses and homes alike. Enjoy on-demand seating whenever you need it. When not in use, it can be easily nested or stacked for convenient storage and transport. Cleanup and floor maintenance are a breeze. Featuring integrated drain holes and floor caps that protect your surfaces, this chair is built to last. The double support braces and steel frame ensure a stable experience. Enjoy a stable and worry-free seating experience thanks to its robust construction. It's ready to use right out of the box with no assembly required. With an overall size of 17.5 W x 18 D x 31.5 H, it provides comfortable seating. When folded, it measures just 2.5 deep for compact storage. What we like? Built for durability and practicality, this chair boasts an impressive weight capacity and a lightweight, stackable design. Its integrated drain holes make it suitable for outdoor events where spills or rain are a concern. If you need reliable, easy-to-store seating for events or commercial use, this offers exceptional value and longevity. What people say. Good quality chairs, lightweight, easily to move around the house for a get-together. The chairs were comfortable, and once the program is done they are easy to wrap up and hang. The size of the chairs is perfect, not bulky at all. Cleaning is also easy with wipes. I also like how it locks when you open them, and then there's an easy way to close them also once you get the feel of them. They take up so little space because they click together. They say they hold up to 650 pounds, and I believe they are so sturdy and have a nice tread on the seat. And are better quality than other folding chairs. These chairs are very sturdy, and I'm a 5X fluffy. Seat and back are molded plastic and very comfortable. Measuring using metal tap, approximate size without counting the mold and parts. Backrest 17L2 long x 714 wide. Seat of the chair 1712 long x 1712 deep. Finally, the seat of the chair is 18 from the floor. Number 1. NUMANU 2025 Upgraded XXL Collapsible Stool. Tired of unreliable products? We offer a US-based lifetime warranty on this portable seat, ensuring peace of mind with every use. Simply contact the seller for support. Experience unparalleled comfort with our upgraded design. It extends from 2.7 to 19.7 inches tall and is 11.8 inches wide, yet weighs only 3.5 pounds. It can support up to 1,000 pounds, making it stronger and more versatile than other folding stools. Enjoy a comfortable seating experience with the 360 swivel cushion seat pad. When you're done, easily transport it using the included waterproof carry bag. Opening and locking this collapsible seat is a breeze. It features a convenient handle design and a safety lock to prevent accidental opening, ensuring your safety and ease of use. This versatile seat is perfect for a wide range of activities. Whether you're camping, fishing, attending concerts, or simply need a place to rest while traveling, it provides a comfortable seating solution in seconds. Feel good about your purchase. A portion of our sales is donated to support wounded U.S. Army veterans. Thank you for your contribution. What we like? This is the ultimate in portable seating, offering an adjustable height and an incredible 1,000 pounds weight capacity in a compact telescoping design. It's perfect for a wide range of activities, from camping to attending concerts or even as a sturdy footrest. If you need a versatile, heavy-duty, and highly portable seat that can adapt to various needs, this stool is unmatched. What people say. It works like a chair, is very sturdy, and surprisingly comfortable. It's lightweight and easy to take everywhere, which makes it super convenient. The quality feels solid and it holds up really well with daily use. The NUMANU 2025 upgraded XXL collapsible stool feels very strong and secure. It's comfortable, especially with the cushion, and very easy to carry and store in the included bag. On top of that, it has a modern, clean look that makes it stand out from other portable stools. It looks and feels flimsy. It is shockingly lightweight. The locking feature seems wobbly and seems like it doesn't really lock. It looks like it's going to collapse at any moment. Still, I have sat on it with my entire weight multiple times, and it has not collapsed. It seems sturdy. The height of the seat is actually higher than my regular office chair, and it was easy to sit down and stand up without any mobility issues. The stool is very portable, it is lightweight, collapses to only several inches thick, and comes with a little carrying bag. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.